We're here at Anglo-Ruskin University holding this winter market for our module How to Do Business. We prepared a pitch for a product and we're here at the ARU Winter Fair selling our product to our customers, our fellow students and professors at the Cambridge University.
We essentially are holding a Christmas market just to put our skills into practice, really.
This model is preparing me for my future career by giving me a real practical experience.
What a brilliant way of getting involved with student entrepreneurs. It's a group of people I've never worked with before.
And I think it's very useful for us as a group to learn how to deal with customers.
It helps essentially because it brings you out of your comfort zone. Trying to sell a product, it almost brings out a lot of your communication skills, a lot of your ways just with people, and it just generally helps with everyday activities, really.
Having a winter market, we can see how the customers come around, how we can try to sell something, and I think it's a very good opportunity to learn from the practice.
This module is going to help me in my future career because it helps us identify our target audience, product selections, competitive advantage, and many other things.